So middle of September here, maybe second weekend in September, and I cleaned a bunch of stuff up, cleaned that bed up, I cut down some sunflower heads to put in the greenhouse to dry. I cleaned these two beds up, pulled a pumpkin which hadn't grown in 2 months, and cucumbers which we were kind of done eating. And I got my fall stuff out, at least some of it, so that means a bunch of kale up there and some broccoli, spinach here, and some more kale and some Brussels sprouts. And then down here, I planted a whole bunch of Romanesco, pulled all the tomatoes out of here. These are Burbank tomatoes, so they're done pretty quickly in the year. They weren't going to produce much more. And I noticed that these beds weren't going to get much light, so I also had to prune much of the espalier today. I need to come back with a bigger, I just have my Felcos. I need to come back with the big loppers. I don't know what they're called. Of note, so I spent all this time doing this stuff today, which took probably like 4 hours. I don't know, a lot of work, more work than I've done all year. But these guys in here that we planted before that first rain, we've gotten about 2 rains since then, they're coming up. And same with this lettuce over here. There's a row of lettuce coming up, and a few of these, I think these are broccolis, I kind of forget, but no matter, something good. So it was a lot easier to time it with the rain, but of course we want to make sure we have some stuff going. These are all Romanesco, and then my lacinato kale in here. That should stay all winter, but we'll lose sunlight in this area of the garden for much of the winter. So I will, but they'll overwinter well, and then we'll have them next spring.